Meaning of inhalation.
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 Inhalation. Inhalation refers to the act of breathing in air or other substances into the lungs. When a person inhales, air enters the nose or mouth, travels down the windpipe, and then enters the bronchial tubes and lungs. Inhalation plays a critical role in respiration, which is the process of exchanging oxygen and carbon dioxide in the body. Through inhalation, oxygen is taken into the body and delivered to the cells, while carbon dioxide is removed from the body. Proper inhalation is necessary for healthy functioning of the respiratory system and overall well-being.